in the minds of the people of Khorjuin, Aldona and Sikeri Mai villages, which regards to the metal bridge connecting them with is in a very dilapidated condition and having number of folds on the working surface which is corroded and could collapse any moment, thus endangering the lives of pedestrians and the daily commuters. The steps the government will take in this matter.
The footbridge links Sikeri village, Moim constituency to Khorjuin village in Aldona constituency was constructed as a steel footbridge way back in the 2003 as per the local source. Prior to that, it was a wooden footbridge at a local use for the cross the creek. Over the course of the time, and the metal structure suffered corrosion due to the presence of the saline water. In meantime, the GSRC constructed Poira Khorjuve bridge on the same river, and further it is approximately distance of about 1.5 kilometers, having a proper approach road on both the sides. The footbridge which repaired in the year 2015, but the continued to be the weakened due to the corrosion. The floor of the bridge was developed the holes, and eventually the footbridge had been closed for traffic. Following steps had been taken by the government for the safety of the pedestrian and the daily commuters. As per the collector notification, it has been directed to close the said footbridge at the general public as it is dilapidated conditions. The barricading has been constructed on the either side of the footbridge approach. New proposal of the reconstruction of the said footbridge is under process. Alternative Poira Khorjuve bridge is available for the public use instead of the said footbridge. The additional distance involved due to use of this bridge is approximately 2.5 kilometers.
Speaker, sir.